Alright, we're live. Welcome back to the live session of the crypto conversation. And right now we are completely into red. So the cryptocurrency market is crashing badly. And that's precisely because of one of the biggest fraud, maybe not fraud or whatever. There's an investigation going on which is on the Upbit exchange, a South Korean exchange. And the reason this is also important is because South Korea has been one of those countries where the regulations has been in place. They have been really very supportive on when it comes to cryptocurrency exchanges and whatnot. They were recently drawing some regulations, so such a big fraud with the cryptocurrency exchange is not a good sign for any regulators. So the regulators are going to think twice and thrice before actually they issue licenses or things like that. So not a very good news in terms of, let's see who all is live. All right, I think we are still waiting for the people. Great guys, so if you are there, hit that like, let me know where are you joining me from, and we're gonna discuss a couple of things. So let's see. Let me know if you can hear me proper. Live, Upbit exchange live. Perfect. 18 people watching. Hit that like, guys, and welcome back. सर अभी कितना डाउन जाएगा यार, कुछ बोल नहीं सकते. मुझे नहीं लगता एकदम ज़्यादा डाउन जाने वाला है. I mean it's already 7% down, 8,600 प्राइस आ गया है. So I don't think it's gonna be like very deep. It's not a very big issue, even though South Korea have like a huge volume, but I don't think that it's gonna go down further to say 7,000 or 6,000, because all the other cryptocurrency exchanges are still walking, and it shouldn't have that much of impact. But honestly, even if it goes down, try and buy more, in my opinion. Again, not an investment advice, but definitely, I mean, you see the news from all around the globe, like Wall Street, New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq Stock Exchange, they're all going to be trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So even if it goes down to, let's say, about 8, I don't think it's going to go below 8,000, but you know, so I think it's a very good price, because you have consensus planned in the month of May, which is this month, in a few days from now. So looking at all those scenarios, I think the market is going to go only up. So even if the market goes down, I think it's a very good opportunity to buy in and then sell high, even as a trader. So let's have a look. Hi Nambi Naresh, hi bro. Hey MD Ehsan. I'm doing good Syed. Yes, we can hear you. Great guys. So this is the news now. So the market crash is because of one of the exchange which is under suspect. That, so what really happened, right? So what really happened with the Korea's biggest exchange? Well, what happened is that it seems that there were quite a good amount of funds which were transferred to one of the board members of the exchange, right? So this is the fund, the huge amount of the fund has been transferred to one of the directors or someone from the company himself, right? And these guys were actually showing up the asset, whereas they don't have it. They don't have it in their wallet. The money, all the cryptocurrencies has already been transferred from Upbit wallet to one of the board members' wallet. But these guys have been showing that they still have those crypto assets, something like how banks do, right? This is what happened with the bank, right? Recently, that they were showing that the balances are clear, but balances are never clear. There is no money in the bank. So it's a similar thing with the Upbit exchange, that they did not have those crypto assets. They actually transferred it to one of the employee from the exchange itself. Now, so there is an investigation going on. They are still operational, I guess. They are still running. You can still, I think people can still trade. I think people are already buying also. By the way, so this is a Korean exchange, okay? This is a Korean exchange. But of course the market has been impacted because of not sure what's gonna happen, right? It might just be asked to shut down as well. So let's have a look. Right, please wait first checking your browser before accessing upbit.com. So as you can see, this is a Korean language. Yeah, this is one of the biggest exchange, by the way, from Korea. So let's have a look. Let's translate it in English and let's read out what it is. Korea's most cryptographic exchange, 37 dog market support, browse exchange, no comparison, the fastest and the simplest mobile app. So they have a mobile app as well, strong multi-factor. So they haven't given any information on their website. So basically the exchange is still running functional. It's functional. It's not that it's closed down or there is something wrong with it. It's just that there are some investigations going on as to whether they still have the fund, and that is why it's always advisable not to keep your funds in an exchange. Keep a small amount but not a huge one. "17 people watching. My fingers are crossed. What is the liquidity concept? Crypto's exchange gonna be implemented? Well, the liquidity concept, so I don't have the complete idea on what exactly liquidity concept, what do you mean by that? So basically liquidity concept would, maybe it means that they have a liquidity for your coins all the time. So you really don't have to wait for your trade to go through, something like that. But I haven't heard of that, MD Hassan, so I can't tell you what exactly that is. Hey Nambi, hey Abhay. One thing, it's good buy any top 2030 good. Exactly, yeah. Zoan Vieira, I think it's a good buy. It's definitely a good buy because you have consensus coming up. As soon as the consensus comes up, the market is going to have a bull run like it had last year. So definitely the market is going towards a bull run. It depends on an individual if they want to take the advantage of this dip, right? And it also depends on their capital that they have. If they have capital, I think it's definitely a good time to pick up some Bitcoins, pick up some Ethereum, and then probably sell it in the bull run. The bull run is coming, in my opinion. What are the 2030 coins you're saying? In my opinion, so I think for me Bitcoin number one, that goes without saying. That's the more trustworthy coin or money that you can ever have. Even though it's volatile, but it's not as volatile as rest of the cryptocurrencies are. You might have a slow growth, but then this is where you can park money for sure. Because John McAfee also keeps saying that the Bitcoin is going to be reaching about 68,000 by the end of this year, or million, and there are so many wise prediction on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin for sure, and then you have Ether for sure, EOS, and let's see. I wouldn't say ADA because ADA is still not built anything, so I wouldn't say ADA. It's let's see. You have not even Neo. I don't think Neo is gonna have any bull run in the next 3 or 6 months. Not even Dash. Maybe NEM can have, because NEM had some partnership recently. VeChain, my number one pickup for right now would be VeChain, guys. So number one would be Bitcoin, and then after that it would be VeChain. VeChain has done multiple partnership and they really look really strong for this 3 months. And after this, I don't have to look here. I can tell you Ethos looks really great. And EOS, for example, as well. EOS is launching their mainnet. It's probably a good time. EOS reached about $20, $22. So that's a good one once again. Qtum definitely can pick up. Won chain has surprised everyone. Get to see it's trading at about 6.82. Won chain has done wonders now. This is the coin which just got listed on the exchange. Now look at the life of this Won chain. I think it's just about 2 months or 3 months, right? So they were featured on exchange on March 23rd. So March, April and May, right? Just in 3 months or 2 months, they are already at about 6.93. The all-time high reached about $10. I met the Won chain guys as one of the conference here in Mumbai. Yeah, so it's a pretty strong team. So Won chain would be one of them. And what else? Ethos, if I'm not taking the name, Ethos. Aeon is a good cryptocurrency, I think. Zebi or credits? I would go with credits. Yeah. When Tron will hit 30 cents? I think after the mainnet launch. Quite possible that after the mainnet launches, Tron will have a bull run. I think Ripple is the best buy at this moment. I know many people hate Ripple because it's centralized, but we are here to make money, and Ripple is taking all the banks. What's your opinion on this? Yes, so I am one of them. I don't like Ripple as much I should. As much other people do, but yes, I agree with your second point, which is that centralized, but we are here to make money. Ripple is still taking all the banks. So yes, yes, it's definitely, if you're looking from that perspective that you want to then yes, I agree with you that Ripple might be very profitable, looking at the partnerships that they are having with the banks recently. Fusion is better than Won chain. All right, great. Yeah, I haven't looked much into Fusion, but yes, Fusion is something that I've heard of, and it is. Let's see. Megra's Fusion is better. Greetings from Portugal. Hey, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Ciao Vieira. So this is Fusion, opening an exciting new era of crypto finance for the Internet of Values. Fusion is a public blockchain devoting itself to creating an inclusive crypto financial platform by providing cross-chain, cross-organization and cross-data source. So they ended their ICO on 11th of 2018. They have been featured on various YouTube channels. Vision, exchange, insurance, trust, trading, fund, investment bank, and what's this? Looks strong. Let's have a look. QuarkChain ICO. I'm not sure whether they have started as yet. So QuarkChain was about to start the ICO soon, but I don't think they have started as yet, guys. Check out on their Telegram channel. If you're very curious to join QuarkChain ICO, you should definitely join their Telegram channel, Telegram group. I think there is a lot of updates going on the group there. Alright guys, I want to just keep it very short. So this is the right now the one of the reason the market had crashed is because of the news from South Korea. One of the biggest exchanges from South Korea, Upbit, has been suspected fraud. The whole story is that looks like the fund is not with the Upbit exchange, which is basically the customer's fund. Let's say if you are keeping your funds with the Binance and you find out that, well, Binance does not hold your fund actually, then it's a very, very scary and risky situation. And that's what happened with Upbit. I don't know why would they do something like this, and I hope that this all is not true. That's what I'm praying, because this is definitely a sad news, considering Upbit was one of the #1 exchange from South Korea, and them getting into fraud is a very, very bad news. And so you see the market crash. So definitely, if you have been looking at anything that you were very excited about but didn't get an opportunity, you can consider that, again based on your own research, your opinion, not a financial advice. And because probably we are heading towards a bull run, consensus 2018 is coming in just 2 days, 3 days from now. There you are, May 14 to May 16. Register now. So after this happens, I think you will probably have a bull run. And you can also check out that the kind of events, the kind of sponsor that they have. There was one page wherein it will show you all the sponsors, and you can see if there are any good projects that you would like to be associated with. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like if you're there, and I will see you guys in the tomorrow morning video. Please take care. Yeah, Muzaffir, join the Quark Chain ICO Telegram channel. They have all the information on that. Thank you for joining, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Please take care. Good night.